Want to create an online course for free in just under an hour? Now you have zero excuses. Hi, I'm Meena, your online business coach, and I have helped thousands of women go from self-doubt to self-made. Your journey starts right now. These are the 4 apps you'll be using. Let's say you are a career coach and you help IT managers get promoted. Go to ChatGPT and type in, I want to start an online course teaching IT managers how to get promoted at work. Can you address my ideal clients' pain points and help me write an outline for my online course? Look at that. It outlines your online course and it identifies what are the struggles your ideal clients struggle with. Now expand on that outline and boom, you've just created an online course. Now go to Canva and type in workbook and choose a template to create a workbook that will accompany your video lessons. Next, go to Kajabi, choose their free trial and upload your video lessons as well as your PDFs. There you have it, a complete online course. Lastly, connect your Stripe or your PayPal to Kajabi, an easy way to generate passive income. If you need help to start or scale your online business, DM me help and I will send you some more information.